Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to upload a Canva design to Google Drive. Whether you're creating graphics for presentations or storing designs for later, it's quick and easy. Start by logging into your Canva account and creating or opening your design. Customize it with your colors, fonts, and elements until it's perfect. Once satisfied, click the Share button on the top menu, then select Download. Choose your preferred file type. PNG is a good all-purpose option, and click Download to save it to your device. Next, open Google Drive. Click the new button on the left sidebar and select File Upload. Navigate to your downloaded Canva file, select it, and click Open to Upload. You'll see the upload progress in the bottom right corner, and once it's done, your design will be stored safely in Google Drive, accessible from any device. And that's it, a simple way to save your Canva designs in Google Drive for easy access and sharing. Thanks for watching and happy designing. Hey everyone!